Hello guys. In this video, we are going to understand the career options after 10th class and 12th and also for after degree or graduation. This video will help students and parents understand their career choices shouldn't be based on only marks but on your natural intelligence and dominating intelligence. So here are the things we are going to explain after. So, are you confused after 10th or inter or degree? Don't know what kind of course you need to join or what kind of degree you got to join. So, in India, lakhs of students take random decisions every year just because relatives or society said to do these things. But if I told you your brain already knows the right answer, then this video is for you. Because everyone is born smart but in a different way. Some people are great with numbers, some with music, some with art, and some other with people. So the problem is schools only test one kind of intelligence and ignore the rest. So there are 11 types of intelligences, and each one opens up specific courses and career options that is suitable to you. So let's get started and discover the right career made just for you. Hit and hit like and share your comments in the comment section, and let's get started with the linguistic verbal intelligence. So, if you are good with words, languages, reading, and expressing thoughts, so you belong to linguistic verbal intelligence. So, in this case, the courses and career paths for you are into humanities or art stream, and you can also join journalism and mass communication. You can also go to BA in English or literature, and you can also move into law if you got linguistic verbal intelligence. You can also choose the careers in content writing and blogging, and also copywriting. If you still think like you are good at explaining things or explaining children, you can move into teaching, or if you are good with helping people, you can move into civil services. These are the career options only for dominating intelligence of linguistic verbal. If you love debate, storytelling, public speaking, or writing, and this is the best courses or best career paths or best career options you got after 10th or 12th or degree. And the next is logical mathematical intelligence. If you really enjoy numbers, puzzles, logic, and problem solving, if you are interested in all these things and your dominating intelligence is logical mathematical, here are the courses or career paths you could choose. So the first one is into science stream, and you can also go for engineering, that is BTech or BE, and into you can also specifically move into data sciences, which is AI or ML, machine learning. If you are good at logical mathematical, you can also move into CA, chartered accountant. You can move into statistics or actuarial sciences. You are also very good for computer science and programming. You can also become a financial analyst. So these are the courses you can target if you got your dominating intelligence in logical mathematical. So in the next category is visual spatial intelligence. You think in images, love art, design, or visual details. The courses and career paths should be into architecture, interior designing, graphic designing, or animation, into fashion design. You can also go for UI or UX, photography or filmmaking, into fine arts or multimedia. So if you got the dominating intelligence into visual spatial, you can move into these kind of courses. Let's move to the next one, which is bodily kinesthetic intelligence. You love learning by doing something or physically active or love movement. These are the courses or career paths I recommend you. You can move into sports and physical education. You can move into dance or performing arts. You're also very good for fire and safety, and you can also move for paramedical courses, fitness training or yoga. You're also very good fit for armed forces like police, army. So these are the things which are best if you enjoy action, hands-on tasks, or performance. No, let's move on to next intelligence, which is a musical intelligence. If you hear, if you have a good ear for sound, rhythm, or music, or singing, these are the courses and career paths I recommend. So you can move into music production and you can choose the courses. You can find some courses for into music production. You can also go for BA in music or performing arts. You can also learn playback singing. You can also be a very good RJ or voiceover artist, and you can start a YouTube channel, or you can be a music coach. So there are lots of career options for all these intelligences, but I'm just recommending the high demand courses you can move into. So the next one is interpersonal intelligence. If you got a dominating interpersonal intelligence, you connect well with people, or you are a very good team player, or you got very good communication skills. You belong to interpersonal intelligence. So for these kind of if you got dominating intelligence in interpersonal intelligence, the courses and career paths would be, you can move into psychology or counseling, hotel management courses, event management. You are very good for sales and marketing. You can choose courses for HR and public relations, which is nothing but a mass communication. You can also have a very good career in teaching, training, or coaching. So you can choose courses related to all these categories. So the next is intrapersonal intelligence. If you are a deeply self-aware person and reflective person, and the courses career paths are for this intelligence are, you can move into philosophy, you can move into spiritual studies, life coaching, yoga or meditation. You can be a very good writer or poet. You can get and entrepreneurship would be and very good. So you can choose courses connecting all these things. If you prefer solitude, journaling, you think deeply, and guiding others would be your cup of tea. Would be these careers would be very good for you. So in the next category of dominating intelligence is naturalistic intelligence. So whether you are a nature loving person or you love animals or environment, this is your dominating intelligence. And the courses, career paths for this category is, you can choose courses regarding or related to agriculture or horticulture, forestry, botany, zoology courses. You can move into environmental sciences. You can also go for wildlife photography, Ayurveda, because you love plants and environments and nature. That's the reason you can go. You can also go for ecotourism or organic farming. So these are the studies. These are the courses for the people who belongs to naturalistic intelligence. So in the next, who if you love doing being outdoors, farming or caring for nature is your side of a naturalistic intelligence. So in next, let's go with the existential intelligence. In the next, you ask, if you are always behind some kind of deep questions regarding the death, or the universe. You know, this can if you got this dominating intelligence into existential intelligence, so you can go for these courses or career paths. The first would be into philosophy, theology, sociology, anthropology. You can move into spiritual leadership. You can also go for public speaking or motivational. coaching, and you can move into humanitarian work like NGOs, United Nations, etc. You can also become a social entrepreneur. So these are the, I'm just explaining you the career paths, and maybe these kind of career paths could have some courses into graduation or post graduation. It's not like you got to do the same. You need to find some path or course related to all these things. So in the next category is moral intelligence, which is dominating intelligence for you. If you are guided by values, ethics, justice, so this is your path for career, for a best career. You can go for law or civil services like IAS, IPS. You can move into social work, or you can start an NGO, political sciences, policy making, or teaching, or moral education. So this is your career path for if you got the dominating intelligence into moral intelligence. So if you strongly believe in fairness, truth, and justice, so these are the career paths or courses you got to go for. And the last and final is if you got dominating intelligence into digital or technological intelligence, if you are naturally good with gadgets, softwares, and digital platforms, these are the career paths: gadgets, software, and digital platforms. So these are the career paths or courses for you. You can go for computer applications, which is BCA, MCA, something like that. You can also go for cyber security. There are lots of institutes nowadays are having graduation on in specialized into cyber security. You can also move to ethical hacking. You can also your animation or game development. Even some of the BTech courses are offering these specializations into mobile app development. So you can if you go and check for some of the courses, for example, you can choose BTech, which into CSC branch, and then you can move on to mobile app development. You know that the BTech gives you basics, and robotics or Internet of Things is very good for you. You can also go for digital marketing. So if you love exploring technology, coding, gaming, or digital tools, you can move into this one. So after 10th or 12th or intermediate or graduation, don't choose a career just because others are doing it. Identify your dominating intelligence and choose the path that fits you. If you want to know how to find your dominating intelligence, you can check with other videos. I have already created a video and posted it. Please go and check it. You can take an aptitude or intelligence test. You can consult a mentor or observe what you enjoy doing most. You know, just don't select because others are selecting, or your parents are telling you to join that, or the society is dominating you to join that. Okay, I hope you understand. If you still got confusion, or you don't know what exactly to do after 10th or 12th or degree, you can book a consultation with us. Check our number in the description below. And thank you so much for watching, and have a great day.